It's 2003, Chicago. A birthday party. About 50 people are standing on a third-floor deck, talking, laughing, having a completely normal night. Then, the deck gives way. And because it's 3 stories up, it doesn't just fall. It takes the 2 decks below it down with it, floor by floor. 57 people were seriously injured. 13 people died. At a birthday party. I'm a working carpenter, and I want to show you the one part of your deck that's actually responsible for almost every collapse like this one, because odds are you've never once looked at it. Here's a number that should stop you for a second. There are more than 60 million decks in the United States right now. Around 30 million of them, half, are already past the point where they should have been repaired or replaced. That's not a small maintenance backlog. That's tens of millions of decks sitting one bad afternoon away from a problem. Everyone assumes decks fail because the wood gets old and rotten over time. That's not usually what's happening. About 90% of deck collapses happen at one single point, the spot where the deck attaches to the house. That board is called the ledger board. It's just one board, bolted or sometimes just nailed horizontally against the house. Every ounce of weight on that deck routes through that one connection before it goes anywhere else. The furniture, the people, the grill, all of it funneled through one joint. If that board is attached wrong, or it's been sitting against moisture for 10 years without anyone checking it, the rest of the deck doesn't matter. It's already failed. It's just waiting for enough weight on the right day to prove it. Here's the detail that should actually bother you. A lot of ledger boards aren't bolted to the house at all. They're just nailed. Nails hold vertical weight fine, for a while, but they were never designed to handle the sideways pull a deck puts on that joint every time people walk across it, lean on the railing, or a group shifts their weight together. And if your house was built before roughly 2007, there's a real chance that ledger board was never properly bolted in the first place. Bolting through code simply wasn't standard practice everywhere yet. Add water into that joint, rain running in behind the ledger board instead of away from it, no flashing installed to redirect it, and the wood starts rotting exactly where nobody can see it. From the outside, the deck looks completely fine. Underneath, it's already failing. And here's the part that genuinely surprises people. Only about 4 in 10 new decks in this country are built by an experienced deck builder. The rest are put up by homeowners or unlicensed labor who may not know the code exists, let alone what it actually requires of them. I'm not saying that to shame anyone who's built their own deck. I'm saying it because this problem is fixable, but only if you actually know where to look.
Please like and subscribe.